currently at Walmart getting ready to pick up some stuff for school kids. Yeah! Woo. All right, you all ready? Book bag gathering time. Mina? Thank you.
These here?
Yep. Yeah. What number was that? Was that 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 4, 5, 26. Mina. 5, 6, 7, 8, 29, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 21, 22, 23, 24. So 2 more? Maybe 3? One. Hey, I need somebody. Come help me count. Alexis, what are you doing?
I was the cart.
You are the card. Count.
Come on, man.
I can't. I got one hand.
17, 18, 19.
You want the truck? Nice. So close. You got my toys? Box it. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Want to see Chris?
Give me those.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Hold up, crap. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay,
Oh, that one.
another fall. Should be good. Instead of these 30 of these gold and these dragon things. Go put the patch on.
I'm gonna say no.
No? Alright.
Because you're gonna like put the kids into a corner of what they can select. So just having more options for different things.
Sure. I'm gonna swap out 2 of these though.
Good job.
Boop.
Orange, good job.
Nice, thank you. Can you put it back?
Give me it.
Boom.
Okay. Alexis? Who is Alexis? Who is that? You mean mommy? No, mommy. Say mommy. Give me your...
Yeah, and that. I need to take a picture of your photo. Thanks. Bags. Okay, so we still have $77 left to spend. Yeah, we started with $313, something like that. Yeah, $313. Now we're at still at $77. The Five Below folks gave us a discount, so that was cool. So it actually put us above our projected price. So we still got more money. So we're about to go to the dollar store now, this one over here, and see what we can get. Hey, what's up, baby? All right, now here we are. We got carts. 96. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. Nice catch. Need 9 more, please. 9 more. Just gotta find them. My baby in the Dunn's corner. 28. Oh. 29. Coming back for number 29. 29. 30. Oh, there you go. Number 30. 30. Thank you. 30. Yep. So 31. 31. Let's grab another one.
30. Alright, what we got left? Because we can get some pens. We got mostly pencils.
Because you want some pens?
Or did we get 30 pens and 30 pencils?
No, we got like
Mostly pencils.
mostly pencils.
Alright, let's get pens.
Pens. We're out and about. Backpack, school supply shopping. We're a little tired. Going to the last bit here. Last bit, we started about $313. We're down to our last $70. We're about to buy all the stuff we can so we can pack these packs up. Yeah. Everybody tired. Tuckered out. All right, so dropping off book bags, like 11. Dropping these things off to, I don't know what school is this? You gotta say it louder. I saw Megan? Bagan?
B-A-B-E-N.
B-A-B-E, Baben. Hello. Baben Elementary. Dropping these off here. Chris's friend Ashley is a teacher here, and she says some kids will love it, so we're dropping off half the bags here, and the other half will go to my other friend that is a DC person. All right, we're locked out. There's a door and they would hold it. It's kind of rude to hold it, whatever, you know. Oh, she's over there. She's over there. I see her.
All right.
Let's go. Where you going? All right, so we found the teacher. We're making our way there now with the stuff. Got stuff. Carrying the stuff. Here's the stuff. Just a bunch of stuff. Hi. Okay, this is Teacher Face.
Hey,
Say hi, Teacher Face.
I'm Teacher Face.
Okay, Teacher
I'm Miss
Face.
B.
Miss B, Teacher Face.
And he's donating another gold book bag.
Yeah, some of them. I got a little tired, so some of them don't have it, yeah.
Okay.
So only the good ones do.
Okay. They'll look it up, right?
Okay, stuff. This is where you guys' money went. Stuff. So,
Thank you, guys.
yeah, this is where your money and financial donations have gone to. What's the name of the school?
Baden Elementary.
Baden.
Pronounce it
Baden. All right, that is Baden Elementary. So, okay, bye.
Love you a little coat.
I didn't know
Where did this coat
raincoat.
come from? My mom got it. This little raincoat.
Okay. That's your mom. That's your mom. You guys gotta go.
Okay. Number 2. Hello. Yeah, we had to drop some off at a friend's place in Brandywine. Nah, come on, bring your bum ass on down. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. All right.
Do you talk to everyone like this? You probably bum asses.
Have I ever talked to you any differently?
No.
There we go then. All right. All right. Come this way. I want nobody seeing your house trying to stalk you. This is
Okay,
KP.
Oh, wait.
There she is.
Yeah, edit that.
I probably won't. So we're giving her some of the 16 bags, and then
Hey, thank
she had fun taking those to work with her on Monday.
Sure will.
All right. Okay. All right. Let's get these. All right. Woo.
Alright.
Ooh. You made the baby cry.
What's wrong? What was that for?
Wrap stuff. Oh, you still got the puppies?
Yeah.
Nice. This one. Okay, so that's the teacher face there. That's all right. There you go. She's got bags upon bags. What's the Erykah Badu song? Bag Lady.
Bag lady. I'd rather that be played in the background.
Bags. That video's gonna get flagged and taken off
Right.
off the internet.
So you don't
You want me to
own the
sing
rights
it?
to this music.
The shimmy shimmy y'all.
The shimmy makes it a good angle. It's so interesting.
Okay, so that is 2 sets of backpacks dropped off. And yeah, we're done. So yeah. Anything you want to say, Chris?
Education is power.
All right.
Wait, knowledge is power. That's what
Knowledge is power. All right. So thank you all so much for enjoying this journey with us and helping us out with this whole shebanga bang. And yeah. If I didn't say it at some point in time, this was actually all Chris's idea. So kudos to Chris.
I like kudos.
Who was he? Oh no! Deuces.
Thank you.